Naatat na ako kumain. Si Bana, gusto na niyang kumain ng torta. Ayun, masarap naman siya guys. Super sarap guys. Ayan, kagabi. Kumain, ayun, nakakain na ako ng isa today with my coffee. Ayan, this is my torta with this one guys. Ito yung pinaka-protein namin. Tapos ito yung pinaka-carb. Ayan. May breakfast na. May agahan na guys. Ayan. Guys, nakailang oras na ba ako? 31 minutes na ako. Hala. Oh God. Halagyan siya. Ads ko. Hi. Hi. Ito ay ads. Ads. Diba ba? Sinunod na mga tabi-ads. Love. Sausage. This one is enough for me. And then this is for my husband. Na guys, may pumahaw na. Pumahaw na kami guys. Thank you so much for watching guys. Kasi 34 minutes na ko. Thank you for watching. This is our breakfast. Ayan, mga unami guys. So put some salt. Something pepper. Achi na putaan niya ron. Hey! Excuse me. See? Basta lagi magkuang kong pepper, black pepper, mga chill lagi. Wow na guys. Ito na yung aming pamahaw. Ang pamahaw guys.
Whoa.
There's a pepper and salt already
Whoa,
in the.
baby. Whoa. Where's that syrup?
Huh?
Do you have any more of that syrup?
Yeah, right there in front of you.
Shit, right in front of
Guys,
my
naka
face.
35 minutes na ko guys. mag-end ako guys. Thank you so much guys. Appreciate your time.